Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to fill China digital arrival card. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like many countries like India, China has started digital arrival card, or you can say online arrival card, where you can put your arrival discussion details in advance, and that's gonna speed up the immigration process. So in front of you I have opened this National Immigration Administrative Government Service platform. You see two links here, entry declaration and also entry declaration for border area residents. So that includes DPPK, that's then Mongolia, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. So if you are one of the residents of these countries, you need to click here. Otherwise, you can click here. So it says in foreigners, including border residents who intend to enter China, can fill their entry information through this system. Okay. All right. So even if you can read the eligibility criteria, that covers most of the sections. Okay. Click on agree. So what are the things you need to do? Like you see that this is gonna be in 5 sections: ID, basic information, personal information, travel, and accompanying. Okay. So the first thing is to select what travel document you are using. So I'm selecting ordinary passport and then upload. And then once you do that, you can go to next. Okay. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, after you upload your passport, it's gonna pick up some information from there that you do have the option to modify as you proceed. Okay. So you need to enter your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, country, region of citizenship, type of ID document, ID number, flight, transportation mode, arrival, city of entry, port of entry. Next is going to be personal information. Chinese name is not mandatory, forget about it. Email is not mandatory, but definitely provide. Okay. Country or city of birth, region of birth, definitely provide. Contact number. So first is like area code and then phone number. Visa information, just sample guys, do it as per your own case. Travel information, filling, purpose of entry, select as per your case, date of entry, let's say destination cities of transit, address in China, like if you have booked hotel, then definitely right, not put the detailed address. Do you have any inviting entities or inviters in China? Select no. Confirm departure itinerary. So if you have like return ticket also, provide definitely its information. This is definitely gonna smoothen your exit or even entrance to city of this Beijing, port of departure. You have a companies, so you're gonna select yes or no based on whatever your circumstances are. Okay. So, and then it can be submitted. So I'm not gonna do that because next is the last tab and I don't want to put any false information in the system. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.